Okay, today we're going to talk about how to set up and use the BR50 brad nailer from Powernail. Nathan Cox here. Thanks for joining us on Around the Home. Okay, so the BR50 brad nailer from Powernail. Okay, pretty easy to kind of set up and use. I'm using it on this floor install. Face nailing in some of the boards against the wall, and then we'll be using it for putting the trim back up. So, but how do we get started with this gun? This is a real basic intro video to this gun. I'll show you how to use it. Okay, so first of all, where do you load the nails at, and how do you do that? Okay, this one's pretty easy. You got the little the unlock right there, and that's it. Okay, nails go in, 18 gauge brad nails, and they're just gonna, obviously the heads go up top. Drop them down there. There's a little channel right here. Or against the back, slide them forward, lock the back. Boom. That's easy. Okay. So what else do you need to know about this before you get started? It needs some oil. There's a little oil container that comes with it. About 3 to 4 drops before you get started. Put it in there. If you're working a pretty heavy day with it, stop around lunch, add another 3 or 4 drops. Cool. Good to go. Okay. You have your adjustable exhaust right here, pointing to the direction you want it shooting the air out. Whether you want it to shoot away from you or maybe just shoot away from the wall, whatever, there's adjustable exhaust. Okay. How do you clear a jam if it gets jammed up? All right. First, let's get rid of the extra nails. Okay. So take out the nails that are still in there, and we don't have to, lock that back up if you don't want to. Right here, it's easy access. You're just going to flip this up. Okay, try not to do that. All right, obviously that really just pops right off, and then you have access right here to where the nails come through. So the jam would be right there, get rid of it, and now we're gonna lock this back in place, okay? So first of all, if you dropped it like me, it's pretty easy to know which way it goes, okay? Because obviously this has to go on the outside, it can't go like that, and this pointy end goes towards the tip, okay? So just slip it in there, put that loop over those hooks, and press it down, and we're done. Okay, now that you know the basics of setup for the gun, using it, you're just going to connect the air supply back here. Okay, it says right there on the back, it says max PSI 120 pounds. Probably going to use this mostly around 90 pounds at most for most of the things you're going to shoot with it. Okay, other than that, it has a safety tip right here, so it has to be depressed before you pull the trigger, or nothing's going to happen. Try to pay attention to the nails there before they run out. You got a little window right here. You're able to see the nails in there. Don't let it run out and shoot dry. I mean, obviously it's going to happen once in a while, but just pay attention. Other than that, we're done. So thanks for joining me on this video. I know it's quick and simple. Hopefully it gets you beginners started with this gun. It's a really great gun. Amazon links in the description down below, so you can get this gun and the nails to go with it. Also help support my channel and my website and all that jazz. Speaking of that, please subscribe to my channel. Click on that, and I'll hit the bell for notifications so you get notified when we make new videos. Below that is my website link. Hundreds of more videos there, organized really well, okay? You can find tons of stuff. And some additional videos over here on my other side, including the first video of the flooring install that I'm working on right here.